Well, look at this. This just came out today from the DTCC, Treasury KINETICS. DTCC Treasury KINETICS will enhance the transparency of the U.S. Treasury repurchase agreement, repo market, by delivering a daily summary of aggregate and anonymized repo trade activity. So you're going to increase the transparency by delivering an anonymized repo trade activity. Are you fucking stupid as fuck? Thank you, DTCC. Thank you for this. Good lord. Okay, so about DTCC Treasury KINETICS enhances the transparency by, reporting anonymized repo trade activity. But it delivers daily summary of aggregated and anonymized repo trade activity sourced from DTCC's fixed income clearing. So this is going to be a GS repo or GCF repo data, not the main repo that we want. We're going to get users across the dealer, hedge fund, and asset manager communities additional transparency into the delivery versus payment repo market. Okay, there you go. So enhanced market insight. Improve your understanding of repo market activity with comprehensive data on FICC cleared U.S. repos. Strengthen your investment strategy with greater transparency into repo rates. FICC holds the largest dollar volume of U.S. government securities trades processed through FICC. Well, no shit. That's the only one that's processed through FICC. Okay, elevate your repo market modeling, blah, blah, blah. Where's the data? Show me the data. For sample data and file specs. Oh, you got to request it? F off. Let's go. Charlie, chill. Well, this is the part where we're going to stop recording. But hey, let's see what happens.